Hello everyone, this is Sean here, and in this video I will be doing a retake of Lift A at Block 32 Balam Road. Let's call the elevator. You can actually see the elevator arriving from the exterior keyhole. Let's try the chime again. 8.
Story.
Still has rather loud announcements. Let's go to 4. Toa Payoh used to have a lot of these kind of elevators, but they have since been all replaced by Mitsubishi Singapore, which is sad.
Fourth story.
This indicator is worn out. Let's try the chime. It seems that pressing the up button will trigger the chime once, while pressing the down button will trigger the chime twice. Here's the ventilator. And now let's go back down to 1.
First story.
Did some nice loud announcements. And that is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, evening or night. Bye everyone.